Where's young Joe? Down here, Joe, Chris, Matty James, unwanted motorsports. Guys, it's been a long time coming to get to this point. How do you feel right now, Joe? It's pretty much to see. I mean, it must feel good to have all these people around this car just waiting to see what you're going to know here. Matty James, you're no stranger to this sort of level of work. The things that come out of your workshop, I mean, it's almost like a daily routine, isn't it? How's the anticipation going on this build?
Oh, look, we're pretty excited about this. It's been a couple of years in the build, and Joe's been awesome to work with. And we've also done another car for him. And yeah, this thing's pretty special. It's funny how it all comes about. And yeah, here we are.
Yeah, we'll get into that. So, Joe, tell us a story about how we ended up here today with this machine. We're talking about unwanted here, right? So there's a bit of sentimental value in unwanted for you, right? So you said yes to the sale, and then what happened?
Yeah, so I said, yeah, no worries, alright. And then he goes, oh no, it doesn't actually happen. He said, yeah, okay. And I said, no, I can sell it. I said, I'll book it one though. And yeah, this is how we landed here. So, yeah.
So because you're a fan of unwanted, I guess in your mind you had an idea of what you wanted to have yourself.
Oh, the old one out there.
Oh,
that's about someone's like, oh, where are you looking? I don't know what's looking. You don't want to be the good guy to make that, you know?
And for yourself, Matty James, building this for a customer, tell us a bit about what went through the mind when you guys sat down and talked about the build. Again, how we ended up with what we're about to see.
Not on the cold.
I think at first I was throwing ideas at Joe, and he was coming back to me with a few questions, and I said, don't worry, man, just trust me, feel good. Yeah, and I'm just really proud of my guys and that they've put their, the hard yards into it, and everyone's kind of been together as a team, and yeah, it's going to be actually sad to see it go for a while, but I'm sure we'll be heavily involved with it the whole way through.
Do you get that a bit with the cars that you build when it's time to go home? Does everyone in the workshop tell you that, oh man, you know, like, what can I make it through, you know?
Yeah, well, we've got some cool stuff coming through, and it's exciting year for us, and unfortunately it takes a long time to get our new shop up and running, but this year it will be above ground, and yeah, it's been an exciting time there.
There was no
Good things take time. Ladies and gentlemen, who's been to see the colours come off this car? Oh, we're keen to do better than that. Are we keen to see the colours come off this car? Let's go! Take it away, guys. ORNATE. The colours are coming off. Let's have it, folks. Let's hear what you think about ORNATE. Guys, tell us a bit about the drivetrain, what we're looking at here.
Funny what I was working on.
It's a bit of a brownie motor.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, just a few aluminium basically it's a compact engine in this car. So when we started doing this car, this is kind of like my idea of what I wanted. So if I was going to build another one myself, this is here. So Joe's loving man, he's got my car.
Well, that's what we wanted in the first place anyway. Tell us a couple of things on this car that if we didn't know, we wouldn't know that we said that we looked at it. So what a couple of tributes we've got going on here.
Yeah, it's full rear chassis program from Matty James Co. It's got a Ford in the back there, also the big intro billet wheels. We moved the front end to a tube. Obviously all the bottom, that's all aluminium, but it's all been panelled in. That was a bloody big jump on that. I'm sure the boys won't want to do that again. The full tray is all made for, fully welded in. We've modified the top of the tray, welded it all alley. Inbuilt, but also in like a normal use. Yeah, all the entertainment really hidden, all the brake stuff, obviously the wiring, yeah, put a lot of effort into all the plumbing of the car and all that. So, and some extra head